Location, location, location. When buying or selling real estate, we have all heard the long-time real estate mantra of location, location, location. And today, more than ever, this stands to be true. Hi, I'm Patty Hardy, broker-owner of Sheridan Realty right here in beautiful Canyon Lake. During the last couple of years during the pandemic, there was a national frenzy to purchase real estate as buyers spent thousands of dollars on homes just about everywhere. This created multiple offer scenarios and it drove real estate prices up all over the country. However, today there doesn't seem to be a national housing market, but rather a very regionalized market with different scenarios happening around the country. As mortgage rates continue to increase, some markets are experiencing a slowdown, while others are still heating up. It's really different and it varies from place to place. Home prices are accelerating in some areas, while in other markets throughout the country they are seeing a decrease. Bidding wars in one neighborhood may not be happening in another nearby. The real estate market is all about location. It's very, very regional. But why is that? Well, according to Allie Wolf, chief economist with Zonda, and I quote, "Since interest rates have risen, inflation is higher and there is economic uncertainty. So we're reverting back to very localized housing markets. There is no national housing market as every single city and street has its own unique housing market." End of quote. Of course, with all of that being said, there is still one big caveat. The low supply of housing has buyers still wanting to pay a premium for move-in ready homes in communities with good schools, near big cities. If you're planning to enter the housing market and you're feeling a little bit confused about what's going on in your market right here in Canyon Lake, it's best to consult an experienced real estate agent, and feel free to contact me. Feel free to contact my team. We can sit down with you and guide you through this most important decision. So give me a holler, 210-313-1010, and I am happy to help. Thanks.